Hey, fixing my hair. Hey everyone, I'm just curling my hair. Slight curl lang kasi lalabas lang naman. Hey girl, hey. Really obsessed with your new hair. Thank you, me too. I've been enjoying styling it as well, learning the basics. Hindi pa ako super expert sa pag-style, but we'll get there. And when I'm an expert, I will definitely do more videos of this. I'm using the Dyson Airwrap. It's so much easier. See you in Milan. Yes, Milan, darling. Milan. Yeah. I might have to recurl this part later. Pakita ko sa inyo on how I recurl. Oh, it's so tricky. The center. Sobrang tricky niya. But I'll definitely get used to it soon. Ito muna. Bagay yung new hair mo. Thank you. See you in Australia. Okay, last one. With this section. Hirap kasi layered siya. Kumpul-kumpul sila. Ah! It's so tricky. There you go. So what I do is like curl it ng hot air for 15 seconds and then cold shot ng 10 seconds para lang maset siya. But since I didn't put any mousse, any product here, okay lang because I just wanna curl it lang. I don't wanna, kasi iipit ko din naman siya later. So okay lang na hindi siya super full na full. See you in London. I'm so excited to go back. Kahit kakagaling ko lang. Kasi London lang naman. Not the entire UK. Yan. Girl lang natin. And then I'm almost done. Oops. And then lastly, yung bangs. Oops. For the bangs naman, what I do is curl it downwards. For the Sabrina Carpenter, diba? Fuck. Siyang sablayan pa. Bababa. Para kumapit siya. Diba? And then, what we're gonna do is to just... Wait, naririnig niyo ba ako? Ganun lang. Ooh! Ano siya? Diba? And then, brush lang. Ng konting. Like that. Diba? Para lang ayun o, nagbabounce siya. Sobrang bouncy. Diba? So bouncy. Ba yun, naka-underwear pa ako. Yung bouncy, babrush lang natin. Ayan. Good to go. Gorge. Diba? I love it. Diba? Gorge. Okay na ba yan? Gorge. There we go. She's done. Gorge. I did this for like 30 minutes, I think. Medyo, it takes a lot of time. But the results, baby. So ngayon talagang mas maaga na ako nagpe-prepare. If before, sobrang aga na. Ngayon, mas maaga pa. Because of the hair. And I have to commit to it. Because it's in my head. I have to commit to it. There you go. That's the hair. Ito yung hair natin for tonight. Gorge. Just gonna have dinner with friends. Dinner lang, nag-abala pa, no? Ayan. Gorge. Done. Next time, magtuturo ako ng mas detailed na hair tutorials. Kasi I'm still familiarizing myself and I don't want to teach something that I'm not familiar with yet. So, I'm still working on it. But when I'm more confident na and kabisado ko na siya, I'll teach you guys how to do my hair, my go-to hair, which is this. Inaaral ko pa yung mag-straighten ng hair na pa-inwards kasi mas mahirap yun. Pero ito, I like it so far. It's just, I love it. Right? And I'm also excited to wear my real hair when I'm in drag. I want to see how it looks like when I'm in drag. Ganun ako ka-excited sa kanya. And now, magsa-spot conceal lang ako. I'm using the NARS concealer. Spot conceal lang. Like, kasi mainit sa labas, so ayoko masyadong maraming makeup sa mukha. Ay, it's not the shade. Oh, I put the wrong shade. Pero kaya rin na yan, bulag na yan. Spot conceal lang. Baby girl lang. Two days din kasi ako hindi nag-ayos ng hair. Tinamad na ako. So ngayon ulit ako nag-ayos ng hair. So lubos-lubosin na natin. And then I'm gonna set with Fenty Beauty using the same brush para tipid. Tipid sa brush, tipid sa lilinisin. Yan. And then, what I like to do is to use my Anastasia Peach Caramel Stick Blush. And what I do is I put it dito, pag ganon. Medyo, sun-kissed look. And it just gives warmth to cheek area. I don't like using pink so much when I'm out of drag. Just blend it with brush. Gorgeous. Pink tones, I'm gonna use the House Labs in what's the shade? Far de Joux Hibiscus Haze. Hibiscus Haze. Using this, but I'm just gonna place it here just to reinforce and set the powder, the stick rather, and then my favorite natural highlighters is the Benefit Dandelion Twinkle. I really like this so much. As in, ito yung go-to ko. Out of drag. Kasi para lang siyang balat. Ayan o. Diba? Nagbablend lang siya sa skin. And ayaw kasing gumamit ng cream highlighter. Kasi yung highlighter na siya, tapos cream pa. Parang makakunin na lang ako ni Lord sa silaw. And then I like to put din sa brow bone para lang mag-lift. And then sa center ng eye. Para lang bumilog ulit yung mata. And that's it. That's my go-to makeup. Lip liner lang. Redefine lang. Hindi ako nag-overline. Go. Done. Okay, I'm leaving. Thanks everyone. Goodbye. Dahil andyan na si Monica, aalis na ako. Nag-live lang ako kasi gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. Gusto ko lang magmayabang na kaya ko mag-ayos ng buhok ko. Bye!